Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen where all the awesome recipes are born. Today, I'll be making one of my signature dishes and one of T family's favorite sweet and sour prawn. And the recipe I'm sharing with you today doesn't consist of pineapple, which is considered by many to be the main ingredient in sweet and sour dishes. The reason we don't use it is simply because we don't like it. It still tastes awesome and it's just as great as the ones from takeaway, takeout shop or the restaurant. You can use this recipe if you live in part of the world where pineapples are expensive or difficult to get, or you really like pineapple and you must have it. You can simply incorporate pineapple into my recipe. Okay, so you ready to see how I made this awesome sweet and sour dish? Let's go. Okay guys, let's start the prep work. So onion, cut in half again, and half again. So you got 4 pieces, and the remaining half, cut in half again. And I'm just gonna use half of it to just dice into small pieces. 3 fresh tomatoes, also diced. Pepper, I'm using fresco pepper. You can use bell pepper. Carrots, I'm only using this part, the thicker end of the carrot. So if you're in a creative mood, from the top, just cut in sort of a triangle, slice through to the end, and just get rid of the Okay, now it's time to make really nice prawn fritters. So we're using the fresh prawn. The prawns are already cleaned and deveined. Season the prawn with some salt. And then I'm gonna add Chinese rice wine. It's one of the main components in Chinese dishes. It's as important as soy sauce or white pepper in Chinese recipes. So if you really love Chinese food and if you want to make them at home and make them amazing, this is one thing that you should get. You don't have to use it, but it will make your sweet and sour even better with rice wine in it, okay? White pepper, 2 teaspoons. An egg. Cornstarch, 3 tablespoons. And just blend them together gently. And then pour cornstarch onto the plate like this. Okay, take out your wok, place it on the stove. We're about to do some fry. Cooking wine, we're gonna deep fry the prawn. High heat first until the wine is hot, and then you can change it to medium heat. Okay, once the wine is hot, what you're gonna do is take out your prawn and just dip it into the cornstarch. You can use the potato starch if you want. Just dip and coat around the prawn like this. Give it a little shake, and just put that in. And do the same with the others. Okay, so we've been frying for a few minutes, so I'm just gonna take that off for now and set that aside for a few minutes. And we fry them a few minutes later to make them crispier. And then you can see they are golden brown now and really crispy. So just take them out again. Great, fritters are done. We're nearly there, guys. Okay, let's go. Everything's gonna happen quite fast from this point. So cooking wine in. Spread the wine around the wok like this. And when the wine is hot, saute your onion and tomato first until they are a bit soft. And then add rice wine again. And at this point, you can add jam if you want, strawberry jam or raspberry jam or pineapple jam, even whatever jam you want. I'm just gonna add honey, about 2 tablespoons. 2 teaspoons of tomato paste as well. You can use ketchup, same amount if you want. Add 1 cup of water or stock if you want, like seafood stock. Sugar, 1 tablespoon. Rice vinegar, and then add your carrots and cook for a little while until the carrots are soft. Okay, I think carrots are cooked, so just salt to taste. then pepper, onion, add water as needed. Add the cornstarch slurry. And then finally add the prawn and just mix them well. So let the prawn absorb all the flavor from the sauce, and at the same time the sauce gonna absorb the flavor from the prawn. And that's it. And boom, we got ourselves a really nice, really tasty sweet and sour prawn. Let me quickly taste it. It's gonna be awesome, I'm sure. I never get tired of eating sweet and sour prawn, I'm telling you. Perfect prawn, nicely cooked, nice. And let me also quickly taste the sauce. Tastes really great. I hope you make this at home and stop ordering sweet and sour dishes. So that's it for today. I'll be back with more awesome recipe later. So until then, ciao.